Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the definitive troubleshooting steps to completely eliminate the frustrating Minecraft launcher error code 0x1 from breaking your game setup. This specific execution failure typically triggers when your underlying Java runtime environment gets deeply corrupted or when old mod remnants block the launcher's boot sequence entirely. To fix this instantly, your first move should be holding down the Windows key and pressing R, typing %appdata% into the box and hitting Enter to open your roaming folder. Locate the .minecraft folder, look inside for a folder named Crash Reports or Logs, and wipe out those temporary cache files to clear any bad initialization scripts. Next, completely uninstall your current launcher software, head straight to the official website, and download the older Windows 7 or 8 legacy version instead, which bypasses the broken modern store framework completely. Finally, make sure to update your graphics drivers and download the latest standalone version of Java directly from their official platform. Run the launcher as an administrator, and you will immediately slide right back into your world without any further software hiccups. Subscribe the channel for more videos.